Ever wondered how to grow your own potatoes from store-bought tubers? It's an adventure in self-sufficiency, offering cost-efficient and healthier alternatives. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own spuds. This video will guide you through simple steps to grow your own potatoes. To start, gather your supplies. This endeavor requires a few basic items. First, get your hands on some store-bought tubers. Next, you'll need potting soil, a pot or a patch of garden space, and of course, water. Once you have these, you're ready to get started. Now it's time to plant your potatoes. First, select a tuber with eyes or sprouts. If the tuber is large, cut it into chunks, ensuring each chunk has at least one eye. Next, position the chunks in your chosen pot or garden space, with the eyes facing upwards. Cover them with soil, not too deep, just enough to hide them from sight. This is the start of their journey to becoming a full-fledged plant. After planting, make sure to water your potatoes regularly. Now comes the waiting game. The beauty of growing potatoes lies in the patience they demand. Weeks will pass, but the sight of green shoots breaking the soil will be your reward. In 2 to 3 months, you'll have your own homegrown potatoes. And there you have it, the journey from store-bought tuber to homegrown potato. Simple, rewarding, and delicious. The fruits of your labor are fresh potatoes right from your backyard. Give it a shot. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.